Hello guys, I'm Kanak and you're watching Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you how to make mozzarella in Carrozza in Italian. In other words, how to make mozzarella sandwich. It's an authentic Italian dish. It's very quick and easy refreshing snack meals for evening. First take the slice of bread and place the slices of mozzarella cheese on it this way. If you want, you can trim the crust off, but I'm doing it along with it. Now sprinkle very little salt, red chili flakes and basil. Here I'm using dry basil, but if you get fresh basil, this is also a very good option. Now place the slices of tomatoes over it fully and place another slice of bread over it and keep aside. Now in a wide shallow container, whisk the eggs and add salt, black pepper powder, thyme and milk. And now keep whisking it until it becomes little frothy. Now keep the non-stick pan ready with some olive oil and butter on a medium-high heat. Now take the mozzarella bread sandwich prepared earlier and dip it into all-purpose flour properly so that all the sides are properly coated with the flour. And now immediately dip it into the egg mixture and make sure that a full sandwich is properly and evenly coated with the egg nicely. Now place it over the pan and cook it until it becomes golden brown. Now cook it on the first side for about 2 minutes and now flip it over and make it brown on the other side. Now this is the perfect color we want. Now our mozzarella sandwiches are ready. It has perfect color on either sides. Now we have to transfer the sandwiches to the plate. Now let's cut one sandwich and see the cheesy stuff oozing out of it. It's best served with tomato sauce or chili sauce. Do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to Ready Steady Eat for more such cheesy recipes.